Good morning.
Video message for Emily. Emily, hi. Well, thank you for buying the beautiful 08S. Hope you love the saw. Not run since I did the video for her. And before I pack her up, I'll show her running one last time so you can see how she's leaving me. It's an amazing starting engine. Choke, throttle lock. Hope you love the saw. She's in gorgeous condition, and I will, when I check in my other workshop, I will look for a perfect side cover and give you a message. Hope we deal again. Bye for now.